Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Cheshni Action Mash. Today I've got a true, proper, full-on Lego creator kit for you. This is a 3-in-1 model, and I've got my little helper there with me. Hello Newt, are you helping or just scratching around? Okay, so this set you can either make a parrot, a fish, or a frog, but I'm going to be making the parrot. That's the one that I'm going to be doing. This set is number 31136. Let's have a look and see what other information we have. I'm going to work out how many pieces it has, but it doesn't say, probably because of the 3 different sets, and obviously the numbers will vary. But anyway, so this is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be putting together this Lego creator in the form of the parrot with some flowers at the bottom, which it looks really, really pretty. So it's nice that I'm going to be doing a proper Lego creator set. So let's get cracking. Okay, let's get the box open. God, they're tough. Okay, instructions. Just 3 bags with this one. They're not numbered or anything, so they just all come out in one go. What do we have? We have the instructions here to make the fish, the instructions to make the froggy, and the instructions to make the parrot. There are 108 steps with all the razzmatazz. Right, let's get these pieces out. I'll pop these other instructions to one side for now. This was a Secret Santa gift at Habilux place. But this wasn't the actual set that he got, or the gift that he got. He got something else and was sort of like a little bit disappointed by it, because it wasn't a Secret Santa where everything is for a specific person. It's general, just male and female. But the gift that he got, somebody else liked, so what they did was a swap, and they got this. Sorry, he got this, and they got the other one. I can't even remember what it was now, but it was very much like a kind of reaction. Right, okay, we've got all the pieces out, fork and bags. Okay, so I got my cup of tea, got the trays out, got the instructions set. Let's get cracking. Okay, we have put Polly the Parrot together. I have another little helper with me here now, cleaning and drying herself because she went out in the rain, wasn't happy. Anyway, Polly the Parrot is now done and put together. It took 45 minutes to do the whole thing, which is not bad going for a Lego set. I can't remember how many pieces it doesn't say actually how many pieces it has because it's a 3-in-1, but it doesn't actually give the piece number. But anyway, 45 minutes to put it together as the parrot. Only a few little pieces left over. That was really good. And yeah, it's a really, really nice little set. If you're sort of like starting off with Lego and looking for a gift for somebody and they like animals, this is definitely the one to get them because it's really, really nice. I love the flowers on the bottom, the leaves. Putting them together it's very realistic. It's really good. And his tail, it's just a really beautiful set. Really beautiful colors on it, really nice. So yeah, on behalf of my little secondary helper and myself, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye y'all.